Mesa's Red Mountain High School has established itself as a dominant softball program.
There you go!
The Mountain Lions are playing for an unprecedented 6th straight state championship.
The secret is we've got good kids and we've got good assistant coaches. We know what we want to do. We've modeled our program after Clint Myers and ASU a few years ago, about 8-10 years ago, and we've just tried to do the best we can with what we have.
Red Mountain lost a few key pieces after last season, none bigger than pitcher Bree Maha, an ESPN High School first-team All-American. Maha started all 4 of the state championship games, but she is now playing for Arizona State. Someone else will have to fill her spot.
Alex Wiley, she's our #1 right now, and that's her attitude. She says, it's my turn. It's my turn to go out and do that.
It's definitely awesome, but it's really stressful. I mean, it's really nice to know you have a team behind you that works hard, and we all get along really well, and that's just awesome. Like, you know they have your back no matter what.
By winning 5 straight championships in a row, Red Mountain has become the team that everyone circles on their schedule.
We have a big target on our backs this year, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, it's a good thing. I mean, it's fun to go out there and knowing that you're the team to beat because you won 5 state championships in a row.
Twitter and Facebook and things, you look at those on certain nights, and there are people talking like that, and our girls are, we teach them and counsel them not to let that bother them, but to let that motivate them.
Steverson is definitely motivated and off to a strong start at the plate, hitting .537. At Red Mountain High School in Mesa, Andrew Mitchell, Cronkite News.